Nothing can go wrong.
Okay, just say welcome to Southpass and then I'm Ashley. I'll just say I'm Ashley and then you continue.
And hi everyone, welcome to Self Paths. I'm Nelson,
And I'm Aslie.
and today we're going to cover the health benefits of a little plant commonly found in the Philippines called Moringa. You can get this plant commonly in your health food stores in America in pill form. Now I would like to add, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And many thank yous to our existing subscribers for hanging with us and watching our continuing videos. And we'll try to keep them good in the future. So, Moringa. Moringa is a common plant here, grows as a tree, and it contains these common benefits. You've got vitamin A, you've got vitamin B6, vitamin C, you've got iron, riboflavin, magnesium, and oodles of protein, which is not common in a plant.
Very rich in vitamin C.
Yes. And it will control blood sugars to a degree. It's good for your liver and is good for overall nutrition in general.
Yeah, inflammation. Okay, let's start cooking now for our menu today, which is ground pork with malunggay. So let's put our ginger and garlic. So when your garlic and ginger turns to brown, then it's about time to add your tomatoes and onions. It will take some time. Okay, now it's brown. Then add your tomatoes and onions. Yeah. And then add your ground pork. Then you can now add your pepper. And salt. Then add some water. And leave for 5 minutes to tender the pork. Okay, it's now ready to add our coconut milk. Wow, it looks good. Then wait again until it boils. Yeah. Okay, now it's boiling, so we can add our malunggay. Just estimate the malunggay. If you think it is too much, just put some, not too much. Yeah, maybe that is enough. Okay, let's now add the what's this? Baggy beans, carrot, and red pepper. Oh no, not red pepper, bell pepper. Mm. Then for 1 minute, okay, so now it's almost ready. Then taste it if it's okay. See what's this? What you need to add. Like it needs a little more salt. Then if you think it needs a little more salt, then add. And if you need some more, if you think you need some more pepper, and then stir. It's almost. Okay, taste again. Mmm. Bear, can you come here and try to taste it?
Delicious.
Thank you. So we're done. Your chili. If you like hot, spicy, break the chili. But if you don't want it hot or spicy, just put it at the top. The smell is good.